Struggling to keep up with information overload? In this video, we're putting Kimi K2 AI under the microscope. My review is based entirely on exploring Kimi.com, and I'll give you the straight facts on this all-in-one AI assistant. Kimi presents itself as a versatile helper focused on processing lengthy and complex information. Its standout feature is a massive context window, letting you upload and chat about entire books, piles of research, or lengthy codebases.
The advantages are clear. It's free to use, accepts numerous file formats, connects to the web for updated answers, and interprets specialized content like formulas and code. This makes it a strong pro for students, researchers, or professionals dealing with dense material. On the downside, the main con revolves around reliability at scale. The site mentions that free users may encounter queues and slower response times during periods of high traffic, with paying members getting priority access.
The lack of transparent pricing details adds a layer of uncertainty about the long-term value. Therefore, Kimi K2 AI is an impressive and generously free service that excels at deep text analysis and problem solving. The major pro is its core functionality at no cost. The con is the occasional friction in access speed. If you need a powerful patient AI for analysis and don't mind potential waits, Kimi is an excellent choice. Just be aware of that trade-off from the start. Kimi K2 AI offers several premium plans. The entry-level plan is Moderato at $19 per month, which includes basic access to multitasking, K2 Turbo, Thinking Mode, and tools like Researcher, OK Computer, Kimi for Coding, and Slides with Nano Banana Pro. The $39 per month plan builds on Moderato with doubled quotas for its core features and unlimited Nano Banana Pro slides. The top-tier plan, priced at $199 per month, is called either Allegretto or Viace. The naming seems inconsistent here and offers significantly expanded quotas, including 10x for K2 Turbo and Thinking Mode, 10x for Researcher and OK Computer, 17.5x for Kimi for Coding, unlimited slides, priority peak hour access, and early feature previews. All paid plans remove the free tier's limitations. Goodbye, my friends.